Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, we are going to see about graphics and media in HTML. So, before getting started, if you are new to this channel, do subscribe, hit on the bell icon so whenever I upload one new video, you will get a notification on it. Do follow me on my Instagram page as well. Let's get started. So, here in previous video, we have discussed about semantic tags. I've just commented those. In this video, we'll see about graphics and media. So in H1 tag, I'll give a heading as graphic and media. Let us go and reload. Let us first discuss about video and its attribute. This video is going to be how to display a video or audio file on our web page. So we'll start off with video, how to display a video on the web page. For video, we use the video tag, and when I type video, you can see we got video tag with one attribute is source. So we'll be discussing about each attribute that we have as well. So before entering into source, let's go here and create one new folder. Name this as video, and inside this I have already downloaded the video file. I am gonna drag and drop inside this and rename this to video. So this is our video. Let us go here and source. So here the source attribute is nothing but which will mention the path from where we are taking that video. So here we have inside video folder, we have the file. So give here video slash video mp4. So when you go and reload now, you will get only this image, just like an image. But you will get the video, but you have not yet got all the controllers, all those things. So for that we have one attribute which is controls. So give here controls attribute, and now go and reload. You can see you got all the play, mute, all those things. So you got all the controls, user related controls. Now this is one attribute, this is one attribute. We have another attribute which is muted. So what does this muted do is, when we go and reload our page, you can see the video is not muted by default. But now after giving that attribute there, if you go and reload, it automatically mutes. So this is one attribute. The other attribute we have is loop. So what does this loop do? As we all know, loop is nothing but once that video ends, it again starts looping. Looping is not at all recommended because many of the users may not like it and it will result in bad user experience. So loop is not at all recommended. Another attribute we have is autoplay. Here autoplay is also the same thing. Autoplay is also not recommended because many of the users may not like it. We have discussed about 5 attributes now. So the next one would be poster. So poster is nothing but more of a thumbnail. So I'll give a live example of YouTube itself. So here you can see the thumbnail of HTML part 6. But this is a video. But this video has a thumbnail, right? So poster is something like that. It is of thumbnail. For now, let's just give index.html itself, which is there on our directory. So this will work if the video is loading or video is not played. So this poster will be very useful for that. This is all about video tag. We have discussed about all the necessary attributes and we saw how to display video on a web page. So now let's move on to audio. So how to display audio on a web page. Here we'll learn about one new tag which is HR. So HR is nothing but the horizontal line. After giving this HR, if I go and reload here, I get one horizontal line. So this is the use of HR tag, and HR tag is one of the tag which does not have any closing attribute. Okay, now let's move on to audio. So similarly for audio, we have the audio tag and the source. Before that, let's go create one audio folder. Inside this audio, I've just downloaded. I'm gonna paste inside this and rename this to audio. And similar way how we have given for video, just give the path but here it will be audio and audio MP3. Now if you go and reload, you will not be getting anything because audio has only controls. If you can see here, audio has the play. This is the audio that we will be displaying, and it has only those controls, right? So we have to mention here controls. Controls is an attribute just like we discussed here. Reload. Now you have got all. Play the audio. So that's your audio, and here also we have attribute, same attribute, which is muted, which will mute the audio. And if you go and reload, you can see it got muted. Autoplay does not support some browsers, so it is not supporting my browser. If you can try with any other browser, just let me know in the comment section if that is working. It is not working for Chrome browser, and we have loop similar way. Loop and autoplay is really not recommended. For audio, we don't have any kind of poster, and that's it about audio. It's very simple, just like video. And next we'll see about SVG, which is scalable vector graphic. So here also we'll give one horizontal line, and in an h1 tag we'll tell scalable vector graphics. So this is the tag for scalable vector graphic. So what and all you can do is you can draw a circle, you can draw the shape. So now let's see about circle. So this tag has height and width attribute. Let's give the height and width. Width as 100 and height as 100. We'll be drawing a circle. So let's give here circle tag here. And for this circle, we'll be having attributes like, so to draw a circle we need x, y and the radius. So we'll give the radius first. So let's give the radius as 50, and circle x coordinate we'll give as 30, and circle y coordinates we'll give as 30. And we'll fill this circle with some color, and I'm giving fill attribute here, which will be yellow. So I'm gonna fill the circle with yellow color. Now let us go and reload this. So you can see you have got this. The coordinate that we have given is not correct. Let us give this as 50 and 50. Now let us go and reload. You can see you have got one circle. Like this you can draw many shapes, and that's it in this video. I hope this video was helpful. If you have any kind of doubts or suggestion, let me know in the comment section. Like, share and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching.